working on a roof frame for a 1933 Wolseley Hornet Special. First challenge with this top frame is we have a lot of wear on our pivot points. If you come in here and look real closely, you can see that this peen rivet and the hole in there is very worn, which allows this movement right here. And what's happening on the car is when we have the front bar extended around the windshield, this section right here is dropping down approximately 1.5 inches, which makes the side curtain hit on the car. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be tightening up this, welding and re-drilling the hole, putting a new peen rivet in here, getting this pivot point to not have any play, and we're also going to be relocating the holes on this bar so that we move the front of the roof bow forward. As it is right now, it doesn't meet the windshield. So when we go to pull it forward to make it meet the windshield, it causes this to drop down. We want these locked tight so we can pull the roof over and make that work. In order to access this clevis pin, we have these 3 screws that have been in for 85 years. They're rusted solid. We're going to be attempting to get these out through heat and PV blaster or any other thing we can come up with. If we can't, we'll need to drill them out and start over, weld up holes, retap, and drill. So we've had some penetrating oil sitting in this for a while. We're going to make an attempt to see if these will come loose. Let's see if we can get anything to happen on any of them. Clean out the thread, the groove of the screw. Let's see if we can get it out with an impact. And that one has come loose. Hopefully we get that lucky on the others. Once we separate these 2 bars, we can replace the pin. The problem we had before was the roof was like this. This pivot point was completely worn out. We've disassembled this, drilled this out, re-drilled the holes, put a new pivot, welded it in, and reassembled this. As you can see now, there's no play on this whatsoever, but it still freely moves. So with this latch in its locked position, locking right here, you'll see that when I line it up, this is attached at the front of the roof now. When I line this up to achieve a nice straight edge, you can see that I'm almost 2 inches off. Can you focus right here? This is how far off this is. As I slide this further forward to the point where it was, you'll notice this drops. And I have this situation. The only way I can correct it is to lock this up and put this in its proper position, then it doesn't want to fall down. So this is going to entail us drilling, tapping new holes, and it also is going to entail that when the roof is down, laying against the stop, that it's going to stick out about that much further than it currently does. We virtually do not have any choice, so this is what we have to do. It will not be a problem with the folding of the roof, and of course when we make the new roof, we'll make it fit this frame. But now we'll have clearance when this is up like it should. We won't be hitting the side curtains, and you'll be able to open the door and close it properly.